guys!
Hey guys, welcome back
to another video.
Yes, what we're doing today.
All about the munch, guys.
Again, it's another home cooked one this time. And it's going to be a chicken dupiaza.
That's it.
And we're having it on the bone. We have 2 medium-sized chickens here. 1.5 sliced onion. 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 teaspoons of ginger, tomato for garnish, coriander, peppers chopped in cubes, and then we have onions as well. For the whole spices, we have cinnamon, 4 1-inch pieces, 8 cardamom pods, 2 large bay leaves just torn in half, so you get about 4 pieces if you're small. The usual vegetable oil, we're going to go for 1 cup, salt to taste, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. So 1 cup of oil, the whole spices. As usual, give it a nice stir in. As soon as you can get the aromas and all that beautiful fragrance, you know the oil's ready. The onions, a little sprinkle of salt, you can see it's starting to brown. What we'll do is we'll get the garlic and ginger in now. Garlic, the ginger. These will fry for a few minutes. Just want to get the rawness out really. Don't want to fry it too much. Go straight in with the chicken. And you're going to go on high heat for like a minute just because the chicken's really cold. And we just want to heat up the pan. Give it a nice mix. We want this garlic, ginger and onion and obviously the whole spices flavour to go and penetrate the chicken nicely. Give it a nice mix, just want it to turn white. Now we're going to drop the heat down to a low heat and we're going to try and cook this for 25 minutes. So what we're going to do is get the spices in. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. Give it a nice mix. Half a glass of water, good tablespoon of tomato, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice for medium heat, and just give it a nice stir. All this just cook up for a good 15 minutes. And now we're going to cover and let this cook for another 15 minutes. Guys, I forgot to add the salt again. 2 teaspoons of salt, but salt to taste. Stir. We're frying these separate because we want to burn them up nicely. They're going to have that nice sizzler sort of flavour. Smoky, burnt, crispy. So I've got this blasted on high heat. If you do this on low heat, it just goes soggy and ruined. We add the methi, that's the fenugreek leaves, into the pan as well. Flavour those peppers, flavour those onions, and this is how it is. So not only will they be smoky, they'll have a nice pungent flavour. Get that nice umami taste in there. So in go all the peppers, onions with the fenugreek leaves, tomato wedges. I added a couple of more wedges to this just because it does give it a really nice look and flavour. Give it a nice little mix and just get everything inside. Here we go. Let those cook for 5 minutes. Let the oil just rise. Beautiful. Here we go guys, this is the end product. Look at that, beautiful onions, peppers, tomatoes, beautiful. Again, vibrant colours. As you can see, it's a nice medium sauce, and this is what you called home cooked style dupiaza. Now it's back to munch time.
So guys, Can't wait to dig in.
And just remember, this is the traditional homemade style. That's why it's on the bone. But we'll do a off the bone restaurant style Dupiaza next time. We have papadums. We have onion salad. We have mint sauce.
And I'm digging in, guys.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go in with the onion first, guys. I've been looking at that onion for a while now. Alright.
I put so much gravy on mine, by the way.
God.
Gosh, this smells so good, guys.
Guys, with that bite, gotta go papadum.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
That chicken piece was so succulent, by the way. So nice and soft.
And that fenugreek leaves gives you that umami taste.
It's delicious. Absolutely delicious.
I'm having it straight with the green pepper.
This is so tasty, by the way.
Oh my god.
Absolutely love it.
Green pepper is perfectly done, guys. Perfect.
Don't be biting on the cardamoms, guys.
Yeah, cardamoms are killer, guys. What we do is, we need a bite of the papadum. So we get papadum, bit of, let's show you, a little drizzle of mint sauce. Ooh, good old mint sauce.
Gosh, you are really showing them how we do it.
And guys, this is about learning how to eat well. Munch well, shall I say.
Absolutely delicious.
Oh my god.
You've done well with this chicken, by the way. And the peppers taste so good, by the way.
Yeah.
So good.
The sweetness of the mint sauce with the salad is amazing. Then you've got to try the second option. The second way. Get onion salad on there. Nice bit of lime pickle or patak's mixed pickle. And this one's going to be the bite. Let's have a go.
You're making up words now. That's what food does. Makes him make up words.
Go.
Oh man.
So guys, I'll be telling you about the chicken dupiaza, but these papadums are tasting really good today. Which way do you like papadums, by the way? With the onion salad and the mint sauce, or the onion salad and the mixed pickle?
Both.
It's how I fried the peppers and onions. I fried it with fenugreek leaves, but on boiling hot oil.
I think that's why the peppers taste so good, by the way.
So the peppers have a nice crisp on the outer.
And it's got that flavour in there as well. When I was having it, you can taste it. But having the curry with a pickle on the side, honestly, it feels like a dupiaza with an achari taste, so it's absolutely delicious.
And most of you probably already know, but if you go to an Indian restaurant, always make sure you have papadum with your rice.
I'm sure people do that. Anyway.
It's just the best. It makes the rice and curry taste even better.
Oh my.
Guys, you know what to do. If you like the munch,
punch
the like. And don't forget to subscribe and share.
With all the other munchers out there.
That's it. And what's the main thing you shouldn't forget?
Ding ding. The bell button.
Bell button, guys.